put a ribbon around here and learn how to tie a bow, I can show you that next. This is a number 9 ribbon, they call it in the floral world. It's about 2.5 inches, I think, in width, or 1.5 inches in width. And it's a double-sided satin. So it has satin on both sides, really flexible and shiny. And you're gonna need probably about 3 yards or so. And you kind of pull out 1, 2, 3. That should be enough, but I'm gonna leave it attached to the roll as I show you how to do the bow. So I put the ribbon in front of me, and then I figure out how long I want my tail to be on the roses when it's hanging down. And I leave that. And in the center, I create a center loop by going over my thumb, twist the other one, so it ends up looking like this. And then make a loop, pull it up, hold, twist, make a loop down, hold, twist, and each time you make a loop, you come up just a little bit farther than the last one. Not much. Twist. So I got 3, and 3 on that side, so you can see it's starting to look like a bow. I would say 5 to 7 loops on the side, depending on how big you want your bow. Bring it down, twist. I need a little bit more, so maybe if you want to measure or pre-measure, you're probably going to need about 4 yards or so. There you go. That would be nice. So now you hold it up and you measure, cut one just a little bit longer on a slant. And then the way to secure the bow is you put the pipe cleaner in the top of that center loop and you push it through your fingers on that side so that you can grip it here and here and pull tight so it looks like that, and then twist. Now you can let go of your bow. And to fluff it, just pull the loops either down or up on both sides. Usually doing one up, one down. Now you got a nice bow. What I like to do is I save a stem from the rose that I cut off, and then just twist, twist, twist. Now you have a stem to insert it inside the vase. So then you just put it in. Now you have a bow, and it's ready as a gift. Thanks for watching.